Hello and welcome to this video about your instructor, this guy that's going to help you with this class. Who am I? Well, my name is Jason Lloyd Morgan. Why all three names? Well, you'll find out in a minute, okay? Jason Morgan is a very common name. Some people say, hey, that's a character on General Hospital. Yeah, that's why I included the Lloyd. Yeah, anyway. You may call me Professor Morgan. That's good. So who is this guy and why is he able to teach us? Well, a little bit about me. I have my Associate of Science degree from Utah Valley State College. I went on and earned my bachelor's degree at Brigham Young University, also known as BYU, and then my Master of Fine Arts at National University from La Jolla, California. So that is my education. And with my education, what did I become? A lot of you are going to say English professor. I'm going to say no. I actually became a television director. Used to work in television, live newscasts, worked my way up, made it to the New York market, was an operations manager there for a number of years. Sat in a room like this a lot, made good money, enjoyed what I did, was good at what I did. But New York is very busy. I'm kind of a more little key, laid back kind of a guy. I have a wife and 4 daughters. I've been married for over 25 years. Thought, it should be nice to see my family. So decided to move to North Carolina, and I became a college professor. I've been teaching since 2014. Love what I do. Really, really enjoy teaching. This is actually my passion, even more than working in television. Love the written word. Well, how do I know anything about writing? Well, in addition to being a professor, I am also an author. I've written several books under the name J. Lloyd Morgan. So again, J. Lloyd Morgan. Why is that? Because that's just kind of unique. And I wrote this series, The Hidden Sun, The Waxing Moon, and The Zealous Star. It's a trilogy. And did those. And then I also wrote some more books. Yeah, The Mirror of the Soul, The Night the Porta Potty Burned Down, Wall of Faith, Bring Down the Rain. And then my latest book that came out is Darker the Shadow, and I'm currently working on the follow-up to that. So, yeah, I know a little bit about when it comes to writing. Again, I love teaching. I have a little bit of technology background, but yeah, it's a thing. So that's where we're at. That's who I am. Hopefully that puts a little perspective on me as a teacher. So like I said, I love teaching, and I hope that you guys will enjoy the class as we go. All right. Move on to the next video. Yay!